You ready for God, doctor?
You don't know what I'm going today. You ready? Yeah, of course.
Oh my god.
Ready to check in and all. So what I'm going.
Yeah, they're gonna have a lot.
With the hemorrhoids, you know? So today now them doctor tell me if it's healing or we need surgery. So I'm going, you know? Won't mind it, you know, on a surgery still, but if a surgery, I say I go.
Right.
Clean up my local station.
Alright, people, I'm today I do some work, so I'm gonna stop now. For bring sick folk, got a doctor.
Not sick again.
Anyways, sick folk, got a doctor.
Not sick again.
So I'm about to go get ready. Put on some clothes and get myself together so that we can go. So you guys just stay tuned, alright?
Yeah. You know, the next video this, you know what I mean?
Oh, Daddy, you getting him?
Doctor checkup, eh?
You getting him for that?
No, I got a doctor tell me what next, you know what I mean? Yeah. Open the door for Sonny. Wait, open the door for Sonny now, please.
Yo, I want, you know what?
Yeah, Sonny.
Violate the thing, star.
Yeah.
I'm violate.
Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Sexy. Look at bam bam.
Hey, hey.
Hey boy, go and leave me alone, you know. What him say?
I need all the fame. What fame?
I was just joking.
I can't even get a pair of tickets to see them tomorrow or something.
So we just make a roll of grown eye doctor, you know, we see what go on.
I need the address.
And then the address. I think they put it in your GPS from the last time.
You're not gonna remember. Look how long that was a month ago.
Okay.
And I wouldn't even know what to look for anyway. Day 1 and day 2 are the dead.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
Listen here, lady. You're telling me that's already.
But she not talk your customer though.
Cause she only needs to talk when she's being spoken to.
Oh, okay.
And she's never being spoken to.
She only supposed to talk when me tell her to talk.
Okay.
Cause she must want to send her back up at AT&T.
I thought what that want a phone, you know. I don't know if I the phone I probably right charger, but something go on bad.
I build time too.
Yeah. So I go, you know.
What's wrong with these lights? Like it's time to go to light them.
And that are going, yes, but what are going?
We're passing Reliant NRG Stadium. I wonder if they still doing testing out there.
Yeah.
Remember the last time we was passing right here? All the people that was on the sidewalk lined up.
I guess I'm not doing them more.
They're not doing them. No cash parking. Yeah, it's closed off. But there's cars and stuff over there.
Yeah, people right there.
For real, I'm acting like nobody don't work there.
You see gate lock.
Yeah. They're probably doing cleaning up and doing all kinds of stuff.
Continue on to Main Street.
What's that?
That's the NRG Stadium, Papa.
I don't know what. I think I know what NRG is, but like.
Today is not my idea. I will be sucker.
We find a train.
Train.
This is Texas Children's Hospital.
I only don't saw one train run that day.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I like New York.
Right.
Everywhere.
Starbucks. Hey.
Mama, you cannot drink Starbucks right now.
Why?
Cause your stomach hurting.
You see how long you're not thing there? Drink no Starbucks.
So why you all up in my face?
Yeah,
That's
Sonny.
my boy.
Yeah, Sonny.
Look at me.
Yeah.
They got Mama 2 favorite
So
places,
long you not drink
Starbucks and
Starbucks.
Chipotle. They got Mama
Yeah, a long time you not drink Starbucks.
Mama, they got 2.
I feel much better now.
They got two of my favorite places.
Too much sugar in that.
Starbucks and Chipotle. That's my two favorites.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
You don't have to take the glasses off to say hi.
Right.
But I want to. Right.
No ride.
No right.
Well, mind your business. You're supposed to be in school.
No right.
But I ain't feel good.
And you not go back at school till Monday. So you know what makes sense. One day.
Yeah, because they were out of school yesterday.
Yeah, train the daddy.
Oh yeah.
I want to be on that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We should come down here one day and just to ride it, so you can ride on it.
Yeah.
But where are we gonna go?
Just ride it. You just want to go on it and ride it. Go anywhere to go and sit down on it and come back.
At the light, turn left onto University Boulevard. Then turn right into the parking lot.
Turn right into the parking lot.
We're going back
to
to
take daddy to the Emmy doctor.
Yeah. Oh, parking
any
lot, baby.
professional.
Yeah, I believe so. And guys, this is the medical center. These are all these buildings are medical buildings.
Mm-hmm.
They got my kids one.
They have something medical going on with these businesses. So this is downtown, the medical center. Yeah. It's so far. I'll if I come forget Emmy check.
Yeah, going like a tour guide.
I am. Because you're not telling the people that walk on. You're not telling them, so.
The hemorrhoid specialist should be near Devonay Middle School, Welch.
Where tower we go upon? Smith
Tower.
Oh, the one there.
Yeah.
And this our clock. Oh, that. Clock. Yeah, no clock.
Sherlock.
Sherlock.
I'm a polar bear.
Some lock are going, but we can't see the next part.
I am a polar bear.
A Sherlock Holmes.
I'm a polar bear.
Yeah?
I don't got no hands. I'm a polar bear.
Really?
I'm gonna give him a soft hug with the polar bear.
People?
Yeah.
Let's see me, I'm a dog, cuz.
Yeah.
Your girl ain't feeling
my
too
chin
good
rest.
today.
Yeah.
Not sick or anything, you know, Mother Nature. Womanly monthly things. Yeah.
Yeah.
It caught my ass yesterday and still dealing with it today.
I like to call it.
Parking lot.
See, I don't like
Turn right.
I like to call
At
it
the
a
parking
red
lot.
dot.
It is? Oh, yeah, so we turn time?
Mommy,
No, we never come this side, baby. Remember, say you think that you do all of the gate, the road.
Valet only, pull forward. I'm not going to valet.
this is the fun part.
Yeah.
Imagine if this whole thing was a water slide.
Wow.
Mama, imagine if
wheeling on the side, on them.
Mama, imagine if this was a water slide. This would have been cool.
Yeah. Oh, baby, I look like this. Oh, well, I ain't gonna talk too soon.
Remember, say up so we are going now. We are going way up. We are going way up.
I can't go outside.
Yeah.
We're going on the 24th floor.
Yeah.
I'm not touching that shit with one hand.
We got a water bottle.
Ticket. And then I know we can't find parking. No, they got all the way up at the top.
Yeah.
I just saw go again here.
We didn't go to the 26th floor. We went to 24.
We went to the 12th floor, and then we had to take the elevator.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So that's just us, brother.
That's what I'm
Right. Thank you, babe.
Hey.
You say something wrong, different, brother. You say we are going 24. We drive to 12.
I'm not talking about driving. I'm talking about to the top floor that we're going to. We're not going to the top floor 26.
We are going 24?
Yes.
At 24, I go, baby.
No, 26 floor.
Okay.
I think.
I'll probably remember one way.
Yes. I remember vivid.
Excuse me, vividly. Yo, yes.
I'm smart. I know how to use those big words.
Yeah, you
I use them in the right context.
You're
too.
smart like your daddy. Damn, traffic. Wow. I like late, you know?
I like it now.
Yes, sonny boy. Reach her now. On top of the building with it. Come out of it. I put on my mask. I don't feel no way.
Oh, look at the building. That looks like a football stadium.
Right here. Right here.
Oh, that's the building.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at the buildings, guys. Look, woo. Yep. So we're going to the elevators right now. Looks like we're running a little late. So trying to get there. So yeah.
Don't you want to go, baby?
Where's the up?
Well, I'm going to look muscle gone. Soon as I work out again, man.
Let's do a thumbnail.
I still got my
Let's
muscles.
do a thumbnail.
I still got my muscles.
You guys are so cute, I swear.
You too cute for us. I don't like elevator. It's fun. but I
Okay.
don't like it.
What floor are we on though?
What?
At 12, but then it's not going to further.
Crosswalk.
Crosswalk. Oh, yeah, crosswalk.
I remember from the last time.
How do you scared me when you put your foot there?
Yeah, no, but you know.
Go into the car. Hey. Y'all like my dance?
No.
Comment down below.
So we do go crosswalk and then go.
We go to the building, remember? We go to the crosswalk, we go across here, remember, to those elevators, and then we go to 26.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Remember?
No, you just are.
You know,
You just have to tell me. Babe, the day there.
what floor is it, babe?
24.
The day there, baby.
Yeah.
Me not have no time to look for nothing and thing there. You understand? Hold this. Me look for there.
24.
24 you said that?
Yes.
It doesn't even say. One of them stuff it has to say it, right? I think the last time I had it on a piece of paper.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Let's go ask him.
No, call them.
Yeah.
Call them and say what, ask them what for.
24th, I said.
He said 24th floor. I don't remember what floor.
Oh, you're eating a strawberry?
I don't know. You know, one elevator has so much people. Oh Lord. Okay. Guys, we are late. We are lost. Every floor we go to, we cannot find the place. We've been here like a month ago, but we don't remember. This is 24. This is 24.
24?
Yes. Just every floor we go to, we cannot. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you happen to know where the colon and what is it called? The colon and rectal. Colon and rectal. Does it say 6-way? No. I don't know. No, you don't know. Okay, thank you, ma'am. No problem. 2307. 2307. It'll be that way. 2307. This way. It's right here.
Okay.
See it there? Yeah, this is it. Oh God, we guys finally found the place. We are here. But you already did paperwork. I don't think you're gonna do paperwork again.
Mr. Holman?
Yo. Way up. Way up. Way up, Sonny?
Yeah.
Yeah, way up. God, I look like an ant.
Them look like the size of the toy cars that are good. When we was on the 26th floor, I saw a baseball stadium and a soccer field.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think the baseball stadium was for the Houston Astros.
Okay.
I know teams like that.
Yeah?
So look at this view. It is so beautiful. I'm still here at the doctor's office. But I wanted to show you guys this view from the doctor's office. It is so beautiful. Like, look at that. It's cloudy outside. It's gonna rain. I'm hoping we can get out of here before the rain comes down really hard. So yeah, just stay tuned. Hubby went inside to go get his checkup. So Hubby went inside to get his checkup. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. By the time he's done, we're gonna be leaving here. Grab some lunch and then we're gonna be heading home. Nothing too much. On my phone, scrolling on social media, and really that's about it. But I have to sit by this window because I just love this view. And yeah, but you guys stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on what they said about Hubby in a few minutes. He should be out soon. Yeah, so you guys just stay tuned, okay?
Is this older?
Alright guys, Hubby's done with the doctors. Yay, we get to go home.
That's where I got it. 12? Oh, I got the
Crosswalk. Oh, you gotta go down there again?
Yeah.
What did they say?
Him said, perfect. There's a little thing left on it. So I tell him to the compound I finish. Him say, you're not supposed to finish. I use too much. When him say you have a refill on it, so if you just go get it, tell them to give them your name. And then in 2 months, except.
Okay.
So the walk was walk again. The walk.
Crosswalk. Yes. Okay, so basically that's what you were saying.
Himself just go and do
just for the next 2 months, and then we'll come back.
Himself do the same thing.
Okay.
So there's a little spot left on it now.
Okay.
2 months.
Okay. How are you feeling?
Feel uncomfortable.
Oh, because you had to do some examinations and stuff. Okay. Oh, you'll be fine, honey.
Put something 3. Uncomfortable.
I know, honey. Just hang your
Crosswalk?
No, this is 3.
Okay.
This is 3. You're just gonna be alright, honey. Don't worry. So we're heading to the pharmacy now.
Floor 2.
This was the pharmacy I was telling you guys about the last time. That he can only get his prescription from this particular pharmacy. So we are headed there now. Oh no, I'm trying to fix my camera, y'all.
You class me like the first time, you know.
Dang. Let's let it go.
Yeah, people. I mean, dog, I say my thing I get through, you know, take the time. Then it's like, if you see back in a month, 2 months. You know?
Right, so that means I get better if you have to come back so
yes,
so soon.
That means that by the time I feel ready, I'll come back, it's perfect.
Right. Guys, look at this. It's a little crosswalk thingy in the building. You can see outside. Yeah. But yeah, guys, so we're heading to the pharmacy. The pharmacy is actually in this building. So we're headed there to get his prescription. And then we'll be heading home. I need to grab something to eat. My stomach hurt. The last time we were here in this building, we were not feeling good at all. We actually had COVID, and it was just bad. And then this time I'm here again. I'm sick, but it's another type of sickness. I just don't think this building, there's something about this building. But yeah, we're here at the pharmacy now. We made it here. Here it is. This is the Walgreens pharmacy in the building. So hubby's just gonna get his prescription. Look at him. And Yuri. He already joined the line. He ready to go. He already joined the line and everything. So yeah. We're just gonna pick up his prescription and then we'll be on our way. So you guys just stay tuned. Alright? Period. What? They want pop too. So it's gonna be we're here at the pharmacy. Okay, they have everything in here.
Hi guys.
Yuri always wants something. He's about to get one of those things right there, the pop too.
Yeah, it's a fidget. I had a mini version, but I traded it to Peyton for the slime that I got today.
I'll make it that 1.5 or...
What?
We're making the drug.
Oh my
We actually got lucky. We just started making it right now.
goodness, bro.
So we gotta wait here and when I...
So we're going to leave and come back.
Oh my god, I don't know.
I'm going to put it first. Okay, alright.
I know y'all didn't just hear that. An hour and a half for a prescription. I don't want to be in here. I want to go home. Oh my god, bro.
Can I call?
I'm so annoyed.
Yeah. If you want to pick it up tomorrow, that's fine. Alright. Yeah, but you're not going to, so it's just the reason is because it's the compound.
Yeah, I know.
But we didn't even wait that long the last time. We only waited like 20 minutes the last time. Look. You just said an hour and a half though.
What time?
She's learning how to do it.
Oh, she's learning. That means probably in okay.
Oh, you understand what I'm saying now?
Yeah. What do you think of it? Alright, probably I'll come back tomorrow. Probably I'll wait. I don't know.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys. Super freaking irritated right now. Because I want to go home. Look on them food and she's here, you know, the people them doctor's office, parking lot. Look on this. You see them I try to run away left me? You see? Boy, bye. Alright people, we'll reach a car now, so we'll get back to you guys later.
I'm going to get.
Oh, vending machine.
Huh? So? I never know you want cat. Not to go me I say I come get. Huh? No, me I said yes, I think I just the 2 things I come pick up, you know. That's why I never really grab no a cat. I think I can get right now a wild rice. Holy man, damn.
Should have bought a hoodie.
Yeah, we never planned to come a while, man. Yeah, mother say, roops, you know. I guess they're not no more. That's right now. Shit. Baby, wait for me, baby. Baby, I run left with daddy. You daddy? I said, mommy, I run left with. They're not none.
Whoa!
Stop by Walmart. Baby said she'll pick up 2 little stuff, you know.
Look at my forehead. Hey boy.
I'll go upon daddy.
Why?
Leave mommy alone.
Mommy gonna beat you.
Yeah. Leave her, no man. That's what she's sick.
Alrighty.
You ready? Alright,
Yeah.
let's go. Yeah, well, I'm going now, go bathe and relax. So if I'm going, go relax too. So you go here, baby. You get something for your girl? Oh. To me feel on the island. So what you want, daddy?
Yes, I found it.
What?
Sausage and cheese. I found it.
Check it out.
I found it, Mommy. I found it.
What?
Look at this. Alright? Yeah. I'm not trust no one.
Huh?
That's for me.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Girl, y'all want ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to yard and I go chilling now. Like, I turn up and I walk around.
I already go play outside.
Yeah.
Outside.
Come here, turn up, baby. Baby. Oh, okay. Self checkout, so I go help her self checkout now. But you like a self-checkout, she can do it herself. Done. My son, he's strong. He didn't say him alone won't carry all of what we get. My son is so strong. 20 pound and one, 50 pound and one. You strong, boy. Right, boy? Show your strong face. Look, do your strong face. Alright, yeah. Give me 6 face, baby. Give me 6 face. Yo. Put them on your side here, daddy. Right, on the back, yeah. Alright, so we're not vlog no more now, so you can tell them, say, oh. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we are heading home. Alright, guys, so we're heading back home. There's not much really else for us to do today. I'm just gonna go home, shower. I'm probably gonna edit some videos for you guys, and that's about it. Get something to eat. So we're gonna end this vlog right here.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right, so
okay,
we're gonna see you guys in the next video. We love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the love and support, all the comments that you guys have been leaving and giving us your feedback. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
And turn on your notifications.
Right, peace out. Peace out. Peace out, NIQUE fam. Bye. Yeah, guys, we made it home, guys. We just got this big old box of Capri Suns for Yuri, a friend of ours, Bellevue. Big up yourself. Him come drop this off for Yuri. Oh, this is the one with no sugar added or whatever. But yeah, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Big up yourself. Cause I don't know, say Yuri got school and think him need them something there. So yeah. But guys, we reach home and everything. Reach back home. I gotta take a shower. I'm gonna straighten up this place little bit, because if me in the top of things in the house here, my son will just demolish the whole place. Look how I move on my table. Look there. So I'm gonna straighten up back in here, shower, get something to eat, and go lay down for a little bit because I'm not feeling too good. My stomach is under fire right now. So yeah, I want to big up on myself, everybody who's subscribed, who's been watching, who's been commenting, liking, sharing, everybody. I want to big up on myself. Much love to you guys. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, hopefully Hubby put up my likes today. You see how many videos I've been talking about these likes? I'll know I'm gonna get my like them people. And him always want me to do something, you know. Always want me to do something. BS, me need to do this. BS, me need to do that. BS, do this for me now. BS, me need to do this. I can't get my light put up. But we're gonna say because I put up this rascally light today. So
yeah, keep putting up the LED lights, guys.